the best.
Okay. Hi, we are members of the Honor Council.
Hey!
Yeah.
And our function is to make sure that everyone treats each other like a team and family. It is our first bullet point.
Up there. Oh. Yeah, right there.
We came up with 3 strategies to help scholars with situations that has to do with that bullet. Which are... freeze! Now here's what not to do.
Thank you.
Strategy 1, just ignore the problem. C. Strategy 2, solve it yourself. Find the middle ground.
Excuse me, can I please have a seat?
And C.
Okay.
Strategy 3, ask the teacher for help.
What happened?
Sky and Trevina won't let me decide to sit.
Okay, let's try another scenario, a common one that happens in class. Trevina is reading and Sky is obviously trying to distract her with faces. Freeze. First, here is what not to do.
Come on!
Now, there is a much bigger problem. So let's rewind and see how we could have avoided this. Strategy. Okay. Now there is a much bigger problem. So let's rewind and see how we can avoid this. Strategy 1. Let it go. Ignore it. Trevina's gonna shake her head and stay focused. Great job.
Scott, you have a level 1 for distracting others.
Strategy 2. Solve it yourself. Find the middle ground. Trevina's gonna talk to Sky after class. It's really distracting when she makes faces. Can she please stop? Strategy. Oh, strategy 3. Ask for help from an adult. Trevina raises her hand and the teacher says,
I'll be with you in a minute, Trevina.
the solution depends on a lot on who you are and how you feel like you can handle it. Which one can you choose? Why? Scholars, I'd like you to answer that question.
Little side.
Let's look at one more thing that happens very often.
Girl, did you hear what Scott said about you?
No, hold on. Excuse me. Why my name always in your mouth?
Pause! This is sadly a common situation. I bet we all agree that the person who really started this problem was an instigator here. But let's pretend that we can't change that at this point. Let's see what it looks like with each of these 3 strategies. What's the appropriate thing to do here? Is it to 1, ignore it? Is it to 2, directly go to that person to have a conversation with? Or 3, to immediately tell a teacher? Who knows?